Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 17, data handling. Today let us learn about another way of data presentation called pictograph. What is pictograph? Representation of numerical data through picture or symbol is called pictograph or pictorial representation of data. We can use a pictograph whenever we want to make simple data more memorable, visually interesting and clear understanding. A pictograph has some important information. Number 1. A pictograph has a title and is labeled. A title which tells us what the pictograph is about, and labels which tell us what kind of data is shown. Number 2. A key or scale is necessary to understand the given information. The key or note or scale which tell us the number each picture is equal to. Number 3. The symbol used is simple and self-explanatory. How to make a pictograph? Number 1. Collect data. Number 2. Pick a symbol or picture that accurately represents your data. Number 3. Assign a key or scale. Number 4. Draw a pictograph. To understand it in a better way, let us solve some questions. Question number 1. Given below is the number of bottles of different juices served in a birthday party. Arrange the given information in a table using pictures. The table shows the number of apple juice bottles are 9. The number of orange juice bottles are 4. The number of guava juice bottles are 8. And the number of lychee juice bottles are 3. And the number of mango juice bottles are 10. First, draw a table with two columns, juice name and number of bottles. Write the name of the juice in 6 rows as per the data. Now, give the scale to the table. Here, one bottle represents one fruit juice. Start drawing the bottles as per the data in the table. See, the number of apple juice bottles are 9. So draw 9 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then number of orange juice bottles are 4. Now tell me how many bottles we have to draw? Yes, 4. So draw 4 bottles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The number of guava juice bottles are 8. So draw 8 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The number of lychee juice bottles are 3. So draw 3 bottles. 1, 2 and 3. And the number of mango juice bottles are 10. So draw 10 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let us solve one more question. Question number 2. Quantity of different varieties of sweets sold in a shop on one day is given below. Arrange the information using pictures. The table shows quantity of pista barfi sold 9 kg, laddu sold 3 kg, jalebi sold 2 kg, gulab jamun sold 6 kg and rasgulla sold 5 kg. Let us make the pictograph step by step. Draw a table with two columns and label it as name of sweet and quantity sold. Write the name of sweet in 6 rows as per the data. Now write the scale. One image of laddu is equal to 1 kg sweets. Start drawing pictures as per the data in the table. There are 9 kg pista barfi. See, each laddu represents 1 kg sweet. So draw 9 laddus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 3 kg laddus. So draw 3 laddus. 1, 2 and 3. There are 2 kg jalebis. Now tell me how many laddus we have to draw? Yes, 2. So draw 2 laddus. 1 and 2. There are 6 kg gulab jamun. Now tell me how many laddus we have to draw? Yes, 6. So draw 6 laddus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 5 kg rasgulla. So draw 5 laddus. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the final pictograph. The next is question number 3. Organize the information showing favorite colors of 30 children using picture. The table shows red is the favorite color of 10 children. Blue is the favorite color of 6 children. Green is the favorite color of 5 children. Yellow is the favorite color of 4 children. And black is the favorite color of 5 children. Let us make the pictograph step by step. First, draw a table with 2 columns and label it as favorite color and number of children. Write the favorite color of 30 children in 6 rows as per the data. Now write the scale. One image of a smiley is equal to 1 child. Start drawing pictures as per the data in table. See, red is the favorite color of 10 children. So draw 10 smiley faces as per the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next, blue is the favorite color of 6 children. So draw 6 smiley faces in front of blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then green is the favorite color of 5 children. So draw 5 smiley faces for green. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yellow is the favorite color of 4 children. So how many smiley faces we have to draw? Yes, 4. So draw 4 faces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Black is the favorite color of 5 children. So draw 5 smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is the final pictograph. And the last is question number 4. Number of books on different subjects in a library. Arrange the given information using pictures. And the table shows there are 25 English books, 10 Hindi books, 35 mathematics books, 40 science book and 10 sports book. First, draw a table with 2 columns, name of subject and number of books. Write the books of different subjects in 6 rows as per the data in the table. Now write the scale. See, for English there are 25 books and making 25 books is time consuming and would take a lot of space. If you observe the table carefully, you can see that the number of books of each subject is a multiple of 5. So we can take scale as 1 book represents 5 books. Start drawing the pictures as per the data in the table. For English, there are 25 books. Since each picture represents 5 books, so you just need to draw 5 books because 5 times 5 is 25. So draw 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For Hindi, there are 10 books. So how many books will you draw now? 2 books because 5 twos are 10. So draw 2 books, 1 and 2. For mathematics, there are 35 books. Now tell me how many books we have to draw? Yes, 7 because 5 sevens are 35. So draw 7 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. For science, there are 40 books. 1 book represents 5 books. So 8 books represents 40 books because 5 eights are 40. So draw 8 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For sports, there are 10 books. So how many books we have to draw? Yes, 2. Because 5 twos are 10. So draw 2 books, 1 and 2. Now this is the final pictograph. Hope it was fun to learn about pictograph. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.